Did you know the man who saved billions of lives also created the tools for mass murder? Fritz Haber won the Nobel Prize for inventing fertilizer that feeds the world, but he had a darker obsession. In 1915, Haber unleashed something horrific at Ypres. Green clouds of chlorine gas rolled across the battlefield. Soldiers fled in terror as the poison burned their lungs from the inside. Chemical warfare was born. His wife Clara begged him to stop. She was also a chemist. She knew what he was creating. The night before Haber left to deploy more gas attacks, Clara took his service pistol and shot herself. Haber didn't stop. He kept developing chemical weapons. Then he created Zyklon A pesticide. Years later, the Nazis modified it into Zyklon B, the same gas that filled the death camps. The Jewish scientist who thought chemistry would make war more humane had created the weapon used to exterminate his own people. Fritz Haber saved billions with his fertilizer, but his poison killed millions more.